In this video, I'll show you how to turn on marketing features in Salesforce so you can unlock email tools, campaigns, and related options directly inside your workspace without confusion. Start by confirming you have admin level access, then click the gear icon in the top right corner and open Setup or Advanced Setup to enter the configuration area. Use the quick find search box on the left and type marketing features, then open the settings page that appears and select the option to turn the feature on. After enabling it, wait a few seconds for Salesforce to apply the change and refresh your browser if the new menu items do not appear immediately. Once active, you can access the marketing section from the left navigation bar or by switching to the relevant app, depending on how your organization is structured. If the option is missing, it usually relates to permissions or licensing rather than a technical error. Subscribe for clear beginner tech tutorials and honest walkthrough videos every week.